If you're reviewing trigonometry in order, then you're up to the CAH of SOH, TOAH, and if you're doing it out of order, that's okay too. The C of CAH is a way of remembering that the cosine ratio from a particular angle is made by putting the adjacent side on top of the hypotenuse side. This is a way of finding missing sides of right triangles. Again, no right angle, no trigonometry for now. And what you have to do trigonometry is pick the corner you plan to use, name the sides for that corner. If the words are adjacent and hypotenuse, then use cosine. Here's how it works. The 44-degree corner is marked, so it's the easiest one to use, and 126 is adjacent to 44 degrees because 44 degrees and 126 are touching each other. The opposite side to 44 degrees is over here, and there's no number on that side. So if we're going to use the 44-degree corner, then we're going to have to use 126 as adjacent, and x is on the hypotenuse. Once we know that, we set up the ratio. The cosine from the 44-degree corner is equal to 126 adjacent over x hypotenuse. Then we put a 1 below the cosine 44 degrees, so we're able to cross multiply. X times cosine 44 degrees is equal to 126 times 1. So here's our cosine 44 degrees times x is equal to 126. Now all we have to do is divide by cosine 44, so they cancel out, and divide by cosine 44 on the other side, and we're left with the fact that x is 126 divided by cosine 44. Put it into your calculator, making sure that you're set to degree mode, and 126 divided by cosine 44 comes out to 175.16, which rounds to 175.2. So if there were units here and 126 was centimeters, then we would know that in a 44-degree right triangle with 126 centimeters on this side of the triangle, the hypotenuse would have to have 175.2 centimeters. You can find the missing side of any right triangle if you know one of the corner angles and one of the other side.